Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to order products in Temu, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. After you select some of the items that you would like to order, you can do it if you click on it, and now you can see at the bottom of the screen add to cart option. Now you have to select the color, okay, the quantity, add to cart. Okay, let's put one more, add to cart, the blue one, okay. And now if you click on the cart option, here you should see the products that are added to my cart and the wish list as well, and you can see the total amount of my order. And if I want to buy them, just I have to click on the checkout option, and you as well on the bottom of the screen. And now here you can see the products, the item details. At the top of the screen, I added a fake address, but you can add a new address as well if you click on it. And now click on the add a new address, and here you can type in the information. Okay, this card changes. Let's go back, and now the payment methods. You have to select how you would like to pay for your product, and let's see, Apple Pay, all right. And the shipping method, here you can see that now I have the free delivery option, but there is this express option, and you can see that I have to pay for it in order to be able to get my product faster. And there is the apply coupon code option. If you have a coupon code here, you can enter it. And now when you are done, just click on the submit order, and that's it how you can order stuff in Temu. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.